Hello everybody, it's Maureen with Perfectly Imperfect Jewelry. So I had mentioned in a previous video that I had received a box, and let me show you. That is the box. This box came all the way up from Florida, where my stepson and his wife live. I had asked my stepson when he was out and about looking at pawn and thrift stores if he would kindly keep his eyes open for jewelry. He does video game reselling, so he's always in and out of the places, and he was kind enough to make some inquiries for me and purchase some of what they had. And then my lovely daughter-in-law was kind enough to turn around and ship everything up to me. So thank you, Alan Jr. and Laura, for doing that. So I wanted to go through the bags here to show you what we've got. I have not done anything except open the actual box, so this will be fun. This is earrings and rings. Look at that. She's so organized. Oh my God, I love it. All right, I'm gonna set these over here and we'll get started. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have this little, looks like handmade beaded earring. We have, oh, this is interesting. We have this, which has a pierced earring post and a clip. So I'm thinking it's like a wrap. So maybe you put this part in the ear and then this clips to the upper part of your ear. Maybe. I don't know. Interesting. Okay. We have, what do we have? We have two of these little, let me see, where's my magnet? These are, they're made to look like hematite, but I don't think they are, but two rings. Cute. We've got a tangle here. Let me untangle it. We have these earrings, little beaded, little A.B. Lester beads. And these are like garnet color, pretty. These look a little bit older to me. So these are pierced. But you've got those pretty, almost like a moon glow kind of a stone or bead. And then some rhinestones. And then the 3 plastic faceted beads. Cute. Don't see any names, no marks. Another ring. This looks like fashion jewelry. This is what? This feels like sticker, like a sticker or something on it. Interesting. We have these. Oop, wrong way. These. Pretty. Teardrop. Champagne color stones in the center and then pretty rhinestones. And all the rhinestones are there. No names. Pretty. Oop, here we go. A couple of champagne color faux pearls. Oh, okay. These are on, oh, they're on a card. That's why I'm struggling. All right, so. Oh, okay. So these are dangles, some diamonds. This has a enameled, like silver. And then drops down here to an enameled black. Pretty. We got, oh, all right, we have those here. These are plastic faceted beads. No name. Okay, a couple of gold polished button earrings. I do not see a name. We have an, oh, I'll get it to focus. All right, we have an XO. Okay, hugs and kisses. A pair of these pretty, with these pretty, like a blue color variegated leaves here. and some pretty faux pearls. Cute. These little dangles. Pretty little black faceted beads at the ends of the chains. And what are these? These pretty, oh, these are nice. Look at these. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oops, and I dropped it. Okay. So, oh my God. Struggles. The struggle is real. So we've got these awesome kind of champagne color rhinestones in the center, and then the little bit lighter color, I think, champagne and green and purple and plum. And then those drops here, little teardrop dangles, and all the stones are there, which I love. And we got a name. We got a name. Monet. Nice. Put those over here. We have these two. Ooh, there we go. Focus. These two little post earrings. Look like they have little lotus flowers in the middle. And last but not least, got these. They are, I'm going to say that these are probably handmade. They look like they're handmade. They look like they're handmade. They also look like they could be silver. Get my magnet. No, magnet does not pick them up. So these I'm going to test because these could very well be sterling. That would be nice. We're going to set those over here. Okay, so I'm going to move the earrings now over to my little storage container. And let's open another bag and see what we have. All right. This one says scraps and needs to be repaired. So let's just take a look and see in here what we got. Oh, so we got some broken pieces. A lot of different things in here. I'm not going to go through all those. Oh, there is a little fetish necklace. Look at that. That's cute. All right, so I'll go through those at a later date. Put those over here. This one says bracelets. Oh, we like bracelets. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this one first. Okay. So, big bangle. This is acrylic with like a faux wood. And then we have that green. Not bad. Not in too bad a shape. Nice. We got this one. This is a stretchy that looks like maybe it's starting to lose its stretch. But it's like a purple, very dark purple. And I don't see any names. I can fix that. Cross with rhinestones, and all looks like all the stones are there, which is nice. And then it's on this stretch with the taupe and champagne color beads. It's in pretty good shape, actually. This one, oops, got to go in the wrong way, I think. Can I tell? Oh yeah, here it is. Little clip-on charm, palm tree. It's got some pearls where there would be coconuts. Looks like we're missing one, but I think I can fix it. So that's good. And so we've got some enameling detail on the palm tree. And then the gold tone bracelet with the little hook and eye. Ooh, good hook and eye clasp. There we go. I need to eat my Wheaties. So that one. Another gold tone. This one's gold tone with enameling. that is in really good shape. Names. Do we have any names? Names. No names, but very good shape. This one, gold tone with little rhinestones. Let's see if all of them are there. It looks like they are, and I think this is a stretch. It is. Aren't those tricky? You think it's a bangle, but it's really a stretch. But that's not bad shape at all. That's cute. That one. This brushed gold tone, stretchy. Another brushed gold tone, so looks like maybe they go together. Oh, and more. It's another one. And another one. And another one. Okay, so quite a few of these. And they're all in really good shape, actually. Stretch is still good. Everything's still nice and shiny. Good weight to them, too. Very nice. They look pretty good. We've got another one of these that looks like a bangle, but really a stretch. This one is silver tone. And it just has these little stations here. Very nice. This is a stretch, I think. Yep. Gold tone beads. Looks like this is like the focal bead on there. These are pretty. Nice. Okay, good. This one is these are glass. And they're kind of like a very light taupey color. Not stretch because it's got the lobster claw clasp here, but very pretty. Lots of luster still on these. Nice. And then we got this one. Little almost like coin charms in a way. And it's got a magnet, and I can tell you it does because it just didn't want to let go of itself. And what does it say? Chico's. It's a Chico's. I'm trying to figure out how this comes off. Because like I said, I know, oh, there we go. It's just the magnet. So all these little doodads here with a little bit of a finish to them. Embossed finish. Let's see. Very nice. So those are all the bracelets. Not bad. Except for that one little palm tree missing a teeny tiny little pearl. Everything's there. So I like that. That's great. And that is very fixable. Okay. This one says necklaces. My favorite. Okay. Let me open this up. See what we have. All right. We're going to start off with this pretty necklace. So these are acrylic beads in nice colors. I mean, you've got this nice tan, you've got the brown, you've got kind of the turquoisey teal, double strand, lobster claw clasp, little bronze color seed beads here that go up to the clasp. And it's got a tag on it from the store, but I don't see any maker information. They have kind of like a marbling look inside, but really pretty. So that one. All right, next. Pretty blues. Look at that. Okay, so this one has, I can't tell if this is the, oh, it is, I think. Is it? I can't tell if this is the clasp or not. It looks like it should be, but I don't understand how it works. This is a bead. And then, oh no, I think the bead was hiding that stuff. So this looks like it's handmade. It's very rigid. And it looks like that bead's hiding a whole lot of wire. But some pretty beads on here, and they're all glass. Pretty. So someone tried their hand at making some jewelry, and they did use some very nice beads to do it. But I think we probably need to put a different type of wire and maybe a different type of clasp on this thing. But probably salvageable for the beads at the very least. Very nice. Ah, okay. Now it makes sense. Remember that earring we found? This is the necklace it goes to. Oops, dropping everything. So this is the necklace it would go with. So we have all of these little wooden beads on strings. And then we have what looks like a couple of pieces of, I don't know, it's plastic, but I think it's made to look like wood. And it has one of those adjustable pull fasteners. But cute. Anybody who likes wooden beads, that would be nice. Like it. Okay. Next. Ooh. This looks interesting. All right. This is shiny. I like shiny. So these beads are very glittery. They look like they're made out of almost like, almost looks like a fiberglass, but very shiny. And then it's almost like a tile. And then it has this little accent. So those are the beads. And then it has a lobster claw clasp that this would be a very tight choker, the way that it's designed. So I think it's hard to say. It looks like it could have been homemade or handmade, but and it doesn't weigh too much. And it's kind of different. I mean, if you like pieces like this, it's kind of neat. So we got that one. All right, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, hey. This is, this is ceramic. That is ceramic. And then it's got these little beads that bring up to these faux pearls. And then some accent discs for like spacers. These are ceramic as well, I think. Plastic faux pearls. This is yelling early 90s to me. This is like Golden Girls right here. Color's pretty. Nice buff pink. So we got that one. What were they asking for this? $5. Okay. That one. Then we've got, oh my, this is long. Very long. Hold on. We're taking out a bunch of other things with it. Okay. These are a combination of dyed pearls and spacer beads from the looks of it. Pretty. It's kind of long. I mean, that's a pretty good length. But those are nice. Very nice, actually. I like that. Okay. Oh, I like this. Hold on. It's kind of stuck in some other things. Okay. This looks like a Fabergé egg. It's not, but it looks like one. So it looks like we're missing one of the pearl cabochons here. So I don't know if I'm going to have one that will fit exactly like that, but I will look. But what I might do, because this appears to be the front of the necklace, is I may take one of the ones from the back, move it to the front, and then replace one of these in the back. But pretty red color with the diamond rhinestones set in there. And then this very, very long gold tone chain. This is a newer, at least the chain is a newer chain. So we have a lobster claw clasp. I do not see any marks on the chain. I don't see any marks on the bail, so not sure who made this. It's pretty. Pretty, pretty. Okay. Add that to my pile. Ah, we have a Hamza hand. So this one has the blue and kind of the turquoisey blue color stones. Gold tone back. And it's on a pretty chain, actually. So this is the chain. So it goes to a single and then come down here and we've got like a double chain. So it's pretty. Over here, this has a tag. What does this tag say? Are these the words? No. No. Does it have words? It is a chain with a tag without words. I think that the words fell off somewhere, but anyway. So this has silver tone and some faux turquoise and this pretty little pendant at the end. Cute. No tags. All right, double strand of clanking beads here. So these are plastic. We've got some faceted, like teal color, some purple, some green on a cord. I don't see any name. But it's kind of a pretty color combination, huh? I can totally see wearing something like this. Nice dress. Pretty. Very nice. Next up, oh, this one is attached to something else. Hang on. All right. They wanted $15 for this. And it is a nice big chunky chain with faux pearl and some pretty crackled glass beads. Different types of chain here. We've got this one that's got the foil beading inside, and then some clear glass beads. So I think you just like, I don't see any catch on it or clasp, so I think it just goes over your head. It's all different stuff on here. Beads are very nice. There's this multi-strand with what appear to be chevrons. And I'm going to attempt to make this untangled. Oh, I think that might have worked. All right, so the top chevron here has little rhinestones in it. This bottom one has inlay that's supposed to look like abalone with some additional rhinestones. Let me bring this up so you can see it. Pretty. And do we have any names on this piece? We do not. Any names on the back of the piece? Oh, hey, what's this? Nope, no names, just an indent. But that's in good shape. And, oh. See if I can straighten this out. Okay. This is nice for summertime. Look at that. So you got these pretty moon glow cabochons. There are rhinestones here and here, and then these little beads in kind of that robin's egg blue turquoise kind of a color. And I hear from other people who do jewelry like I do that oftentimes, for whatever reason, this color bead they're always missing one. So we're very, very lucky. We've got them all. And it's on a nice gold tone chain with no hang tag. Any writing on the back? No, unmarked piece. But I mean, how pretty would this be in the summertime? I like it. All right. And our final necklace from the bag. Oh, this is very nice. I gotta figure out which way it goes, but this is very nice. Look at that. So these are flowers, almost like little daisies, and they're in a textured silver tone, so it looks like there's like tiny little beads on each one of them with these cute little pearls in there, and some of them have rhinestones, some of them have pearls, it looks like, on a silver tone chain. Doesn't look like there's a mark on here, but let me lift this up so you can see. So some of them have the pearls and some of them have the rhinestones. I will give this a good look-see later to make sure everything is there. But if for some reason something's missing, it wouldn't be hard to replace, I don't think. And then let me just take a quick look at the back. This is actually made very well. Very nice. Okay. So I like that a lot. Again, really pretty for the summertime, right? Very nice. And what's this? Oh, this is more necklaces. Necklaces. Look at that. Laura, you are so good. You did so much of this work for me. I love you. Okay. Let's try this one first. This is... Oh, we had the earrings that go with this. So this is actually part of a set. So the AB faceted or luster faceted beads with these pretty garnet ones. Double strand. Quite nice. Those. I have to pair that up with the earrings. Ooh, hot pink. I like it. Oh, and we've got something else there. We'll move that. All right, so hot pink. Cute. So seed beads and these little look like droplet beads here. Some are opaque and some are not. And it's multi-strand. Perfect for like summertime or springtime. How nice is that? Looks like, oh, wait. Looks like some of these are either dirty or they're losing some of the paint. I think it's losing some of the paint. Oh, no. Well, this would be good for crafting parts. Look at those beads. So we'll set that aside. We've got a silver tone chain with a flip-flop. Blue with AB lusters. No marks. But cute. Put that in here. This one has a nice weighted chain, but no marks. But pretty, like amber color beads, champagne. Got these gold foiled beads, some seed beads. It's a cute little beaded necklace. Oh, this is quite nice. Look at this, if I can get it untangled. These are glass beads. And it looks like they have different charms here. We've got this arrowhead. We've got the feather. This looks like a coin, like a textured coin. And then this is like a opaque milk glass bead. Arrow. That looks like a, I guess it's supposed to be a tooth. Animal tooth. So yeah, so all of these charms are like on stations throughout the necklace. And then you've got these really pretty beads. All faceted beads. So that's a nice necklace. It's long. If you're somebody who's kind of into that Native American inspired or themed jewelry, that would be a very nice piece. nice pair of champagne color faux pearls. These are always nice to have in your jewelry collection. They come in handy. These are very nice. Good weight to them, individually knotted. Lobster claw clasp. That's in really good shape. It's not losing any of its finish. Nice. Someone, I think Laura might have done this for me. That was nice. I'm not going to undo it right now, but this looks to be like a multi-strand chain in a gold tone that has these little faceted cherry color beads. So I'll undo those later when I can put them on a jewelry card and keep them safe, because I'm sure that was no fun to untangle. Been there, done that. This is a necklace with glass beads. Looks like could have been made by somebody. I'm just looking at how it's constructed. But pretty glass beads. This is nice. Nice AB luster bead. Cube. Amber cube beads with the AB luster. Some opaque beads. Very nice. Somebody put a lot of time and effort into making this, and they did a nice job at selecting some beads that really give some fire when you wear them, so that's nice. Excellent. Add that to the collection. Let's see if this one's got a name on it. No. Just older, based on the catch or the clasp. So we got some plastic beads, faux pearls, these pretty little station beads here. Just, you know, nice little classic looking beaded necklace. Black and white and gold. Goes with just about anything. Oh, this one's, I don't know. I think these, I can't tell if this is one or two. I think it's one. Now that I'm taking it apart, I think we're a little tangled. Not too bad though. Here we go. All right. So this is Loft. And it looks like it goes this way with the, oh, it's got my magnet stuck in it. That could be the problem. Put that over there. All right, so we've got this strand of pretty glass charms. And we've got this strand with these pretty faceted opaque beads. And then we've got this that's got a combination like in the first strand. That's a very nice looking necklace. And Loft is a good brand of jewelry. Let me hold that up so you can see these. Kind of cool, huh? Very nice. Nicely done. I have a few pieces of Loft. I like their stuff. Oh, I see tassels. All right. So, gold tone necklace, long chain. I do not see any hang tags on here. And then it comes down to these lovely faceted rhinestones and this pretty little tassel. Again, very classic looking piece. Would be great with like a plain dress or, not that it's sweater weather, but you know, something that has just a lot of frontage that you need to put something long or wear something long to kind of break it up. That's pretty. This one. Okay. So this has a toggle. All right. This is one of these. So this is the toggle clasp that fits in here. So when you wear it, it's going to look like this. So you've got these pretty stations here in glass, and then this drop with these charms that have the textured beads, and these little glass teardrops, and amber and brown and like that clear glass. That's nice. I like that. Okay. This one. A little tangled. Hold on. Think we can save it. All right, so this also looks like a multi-strand. It is a little tangled. Let me see if I can get it untangled to show you without wasting too much time. I got it. I got it. Okay. So, gold tone, double strand. And it looks like we have this charm here, and then this charm here that would hang down independently. Oop. So we got those. Okay. This is a silver tone chain, does not appear to have a hang tag. And this is the pendant. So it's got the chains and these little, I don't know, they almost look like little pins or something, little dangles. And one good size rhinestone that's set in here. So that's what it looks like. No name. And I think we have two more. Hold on. They are, of course, tangled. Here's the first one that looks very interesting. Okay. Oh, I get it. All right, so that is the clasp, double strand, silver and gold tone, serpentine, that comes down to this like folded over circle. Interesting on the back. And then it drops down to, the chain. But I believe that these are adjustable. At least in theory, they should be adjustable. Let me say. Maybe, maybe not. Hold on. Hold the phone. You know what? They're not. I think it's a fixed. It's fixed. It's not going to move. Nope. So I guess that's the way it's worn. So partway down, you have this little half circle, and then the rest of the chain. It's in really good shape, actually. The finish is still excellent. So that's nice. And then finally, this one. This is one of those wire necklaces. Got some kinks that need to be straightened out. Pretty glass beads, and this looks like dyed shell. More beads. Nice colors. No name. No name. But very nice colors. Okay. So that is, yep, that's the contents of the box. So quite a few pretty pieces in here. Thank you very much to my family down in West Palm Beach. I will be going through those and getting them all carded up and ready to go. If you saw something you liked, reach out, let me know. And other than that, I will hopefully see some of you online on the Perfectly Imperfect Facebook Live party this coming weekend, March 21st and 22nd. And you can always reach me at maureenisimperfectlyperfect@gmail.com. So thanks everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope you have a perfectly imperfect day. Bye.